everyone, it's Recie here. Welcome to Maths Train. Train with me in mathematics through videos. Are you ready? Let's start. Today we're going to discuss compound interest. So the interest, it means an increase of the value of the money. So in terms of money, and in terms of calculation, we're going to use addition. So the initial value, which is 100%, and the interest, it will be increased. It depends upon the rate of interest and the increase of the value of money. So we have compound, so it means the interest, or it will be interest, the interest. Okay, we're going to give you an example. I'm going to give you an example how to calculate this compound interest. We have an example here. So the question is, Mary Ann invests 15,000 for 4 years in a savings account. She gets 3% per annum compound interest. How much money does Mary Ann have at the end of 4 years? So the initial money of Mary Ann, we have 15,000, and she gets 3% per annum compound interest. And at the end of 4 years, we're going to calculate how much money does Mary Ann have. So it's the total money of Mary Ann. First, we're going to calculate the multiplier. So we're using the 100%, the initial value, that is the money, plus the 3% interest, compound interest. So if you add them together, we have 103%. So we're going to divide it by 100 to make this decimal, or because of this is percentage per 100. So the answer is 1.03. So that's our multiplier now. Now we're going to work out the total amount after 4 years. So 15,000. That's the money of Mary Ann from the beginning. We're going to multiply now. The interest is 1.03, or 3% interest, but with the multiplier it becomes 1.03 because 1 is the 100% and then the 3 is the 3%. And then we need to put this after 4 years, so we're going to do this the power of 4. Okay, so you can use this, you can calculate this one by one, or we're going to use the calculator. So using the calculator, we're going to put the 15,000, and then times 1.03. And then you're going to use this x with the square and the power. So that is, it means you're going to put the power, and the 4, yes, is 4 years. And the answer is 16,882. And with rounding to decimal place, so we have here 16,882 pounds and 63 pence. So make sure that the money here is always to decimal place. So that is the answer. This is the total amount after 4 years. So this with the interest plus the initial value. Another example here, Jade invests 20,000 pounds for 3 years in a savings account. She gets 2.6% per annum compound interest. Calculate the total amount of interest Jade will get after 3 years. So the initial money of Jade is 20,000 and the rate or the interest is 2.6%. And we're going to calculate the total amount of interest. So it's not the total money, it's the total amount of interest after 3 years. So now we're going to calculate first the multiplier again. So 100 plus 2.6%. We have 102.6. We're going to divide it by 100 to convert into decimals. So we have 1.26. Now we're going to calculate the amount of the money after 3 years with the compound interest. So we have 20,000 pounds times using the multiplier 26, and we have 3 there equal. So we're going to do that using the calculator again. We're going to put 20,000 multiplied by 1.026, and then we're going to press this x again with the power of ta square there, and then you're going to put 3 years, and the answer is 21,000 or 600 and 0.91. So that is the total amount after 3 years, but we're going to calculate the total amount of interest. So the total amount after 3 years, we're going to take away the initial money of Jade to get only the interest. Minus, so 21,600 minus 20,000. So we're going to take this away, minus 20,000. And the answer is 1,600.91. Yeah, 1,600 pounds and 91 pence. So remember, in calculating money, it's always 2 decimal place, and also you have to read the question properly so you can answer you can give the correct answer, because this time they're asking for the total amount of interest, while the other one they're asking the total amount of money. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.